You will be surprised when the red taro plant is in the wilting stage. I can take care of the plant to grow healthy. Do you have a wilted flamingo flower that you think you have to throw away? Watch this video and you will save it. It will be even more beautiful than when you first bought it.
Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.
Anthurium plants are not difficult to care for. As long as you take care of them properly, you will have a beautiful Anthurium plant as you wish. Today, I will guide you how to take care of a wilted Anthurium plant to make it healthy and beautiful like when you first bought it. I brought in the wilted Anthurium and cut off all the rotten roots. Aloe vera has the ability to absorb nutrients and strengthen the immune system, so I will use aloe vera leaves cut lengthwise to get aloe vera gel to wipe the damaged leaves of the red taro plant. Rice husk mixed with dry tea creates high ventilation, increases ventilation for plant root development, and also helps plants absorb nutrients. So I will mix rice husk with dry tea to replant damaged plants. After planting, I will spray some water at the base of the tree to help the tree have enough moisture to grow. After 20 days, the Anthurium plant I took care of was healthy and started to produce new plants. I take dry tea and chopped shallots and mix them with hot water to release the tea and shallots and continue wiping the leaves. Now that the tea and onion water have cooled, I will wipe each leaf one by one so that the water can soak into the leaves, making the plant healthier.
Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.
After wiping the leaves, I will water the base of the tree with a little of this soaking water to help create moisture and also increase nutrients for the tree to grow. It's great with this care of mine. I have another beautiful Anthurium plant.
Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.